Hi guys! Today we are unboxing this PowerColor Radeon RX 6900 XT Red Devil Ultimate. It's a slightly better bin version than the regular, with 95 MHz maximum boost clock up to 24-25 MHz. It's a large box, so let's see what's inside. Another box in the box. PowerColor. Nice! All the paper is in this envelope. A Red Devil badge, installation guide with a QR code. You are one of us now, Devil. Okay. Show us your rig and win prizes. And finally, graphics card holder. ARGB cable for connection to the motherboard, some screws, a part of the holder, and the holder itself. I guess it goes like this. Oh, we'll see. Oh, it's a massive card. It's heavy. The length of the card is 32 centimeters, 320 millimeters. So keep it in mind when you choose a case. It's a beast. 3 slots, if not more than 3 slots, and a lot higher. Look at that fin stack. It's massive. Maybe around 4 millimeters. We have a lot of heat pipes, 6 heat pipes if I can count. Here is just one tip from one of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, with the middle seeming a bit larger, so maybe the 3 in the middle are 8 millimeter. 3 fans. These two looks like 100 millimeter form factor. This one is a little smaller, maybe 92 or 80 millimeter. RGB. There is a lot of RGB here. And 3 8-pin PCI Express connectors. Backplate is metal. Unfortunately, it doesn't contact with anything on the board, no thermal interfaces, but this one also lights up. But damn, this is one big, cooler and heavy card, so I understand now why it comes with a holder. So PowerColor Red Devil Ultimate Radeon RX 6900 XT. That's it, guys. Bye.